Hello and welcome to this tutorial. Today I did a model of the compression test of a short concrete column with and without rebar. In this tutorial we are going to make a comparison between the concrete column without steel reinforcement and with reinforcement. And our comparison parameter is force capacity. So this is a column without reinforcement. If I click here, you can see, and the abacus uses magnitude to show the displacement. See here, this is the magnitude, this column, short column, and we can check everything for that: pressure, stress, to I don't know, plastic strain, plasticity, plastic equivalent strain, and also the stress. These are the contour for the concrete column without a steel reinforcement. And the aim of this simulation is force capacity for both columns. So for the first column, the force capacity is this. Let me plot it. Okay, this is the force capacity. You can see the force value increases with displacement. See, it is increases here, till here. This is the maximum, and it is 1.7 meganewton here. For the maximum displacement 2 millimeter, 1.7 meganewton. Okay, this is the diagram for the column without reinforcement. In the second simulation, we use a column with steel reinforcement as an embedded region inside the concrete. Let's me to use it in this view. See, these are the steel reinforcement. And if I click on the contour plot shape and let me to replace the concrete, you can see here, this is the concrete shape, plastic strain. And now let's me to remove the concrete, just steel reinforcement, plastic strain, stress, and here let me to check the force capacity here. Let me to plot it. See, for the same displacement, the concrete column with reinforcement has a bigger strength against the load. See, it is 2.1 meganewton. We use some steel reinforcement rebars in the concrete, and you can see the maximum capacity, force capacity, increases to 2.1 meganewton, and it means the concrete with reinforcement, the concrete column with reinforcement has a better performance against the compression. So we can use steel reinforcement as a rebar, as strips, or anything to increase the force capacity of the column. So this is a comparison simulation between two models. So if you need this tutorial, yes, step-by-step tutorial, you can come to our website www.abacusfm.com. Find the English tutorial here, for instance this is, and also you can find it here if you search the title, some words of the title here, and then you will have a title, short explanation about the geometry without reinforcement, with reinforcement, and then the material method, the step interaction load, and the result as figures here. So at the end, here you can provide CA, IMP, and English video file step by step and reference for the material. For 23 euros, you can use a PayPal account for the payment, Visa or MasterCard. Before payment, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process. Thank you for attention.